I need the keys.
You say, Steve? Yo. Dog's pulling up. Dog's pulling up. Yeah.
Should I rev it for him?
Yeah, not yet. Not yet, though.
No. I think they're both back there. Really?
Oh, yeah, they're both there. Crazy, right? Look at
This is fresh.
You like it?
Bro, Steve's new car.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
So.
So.
Wait.
No way.
Yes, it is.
This is your car?
Yeah, bro. Dang, F-Type R, bro.
No, it's coming in this early. Congrats, man. Congrats, dude. That's so fresh, bro. Oh my god.
You want to hear it?
Yo, let's do some reps.
Yo, did he cry?
Yeah, he cried.
Did.
Alright, let's hear it, Steve.
This one's loud, bro. I know. Alright, let's hear it.
Hey, he's part of the crew, bro. He's part of the crew. Now we can roll together.
Yo, can we get a ride now?
Yeah, of course. You want to drive it?
Yeah. Yeah, can I drive it?
Nah.
Red interior, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Insane, Steve. Congrats, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Your first car?
Yeah. I know.
That's crazy.
Okay, actually, now it's time for a ride.
Yeah?
I called first, so let's
Okay.
go. Hey, let's go.
What?
Yo, Steve, this is awesome, bro. I'm so proud of you, man.
Thanks, bro.
Good job.
I can't believe this is real.
All right, well, I said we all take the whips out
Let's do it.
and go for a drive. What do you say?
It's my dream, bro. Let's go ride. Come on.
Oh, this is clean.
You like that red interior?
This is clean.
Let's go, Steve.
All right, bro.
Okay, whoa. Hold on. I've actually known Steve longer than all of you guys, so I think I should go first.
I called it, bro. All right. Rock, paper, scissors. 1 out of 3.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors.